Let me show you how to update the Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug, and this is the Tapo P100 version. And to update this device, you simply have to connect it to power first, so ensure it's connected to a power outlet. So I'll connect mine to power just like that. And once it's connected to power, ensure you've already set it up, and I've left a video, or I'll link a video on how to set this up down in the comment section below. But once it's set up using the Tapo app, go into the Tapo app, and then if you land on this page, as you can see, my plug has already been detected. All you have to do is tap on the Me tab, and then you should see firmware update. So tap on firmware update, and if there's an update, you will see it here and you'll be prompted to update. If there's more than one, you'll simply need to select update all. So for me, I'll simply tap on update at the top here, and then now you'll wait for the firmware to be downloaded onto the app and then transferred to the plug. So be patient as this happens. And once the download is complete, it's going to start installing or send the data to the plug, and the plug is going to turn on and off, as you can hear the clicking sound. And once it's finished downloading, it's going to tell you that it's up to date, and as you can see, the update is complete. So that's it. Simply tap on done, and you now have the latest firmware update for your Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug, the P100 version. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.